Hi students, today we will discuss a problem on maxima and minima. Find the range of f of x equals to x sin x minus half sin square x, where x belongs to open interval of 0 to pi by 2. Now coming to the solution. So what is the given function? F of x equals to x sin x minus half sin square x. Now if you want to find the minimum or else whatever may be the maximum, we need to find the derivative first, so that differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Now f dash of x equals to, now u into v, so x into, for sin x the derivative is cos x, plus sin x into, for x the derivative is 1, minus half, for sin square x the derivative is 2 sin x, and again for sin x the derivative is cos x. Now 2 gets cancelled, so clearly f dash of x is what? X cos x, plus, so from these two terms take a common sin x, then it is 1 minus cos x. What we will get? F dash of x equal to x cos x plus sin x into 1 minus cos x. Okay, now so where it is equal to 0, if you put 0 here, f dash of 0 is what? 0 times is 0, so 0 times of 1 minus cos x is 0, so that it is f dash of x is 0 at x equal to 0, but so we don't have to take the value 0 here. Why? Because it is in the open interval. So clearly x belongs to open interval of 0 to pi by 2. Now clearly he has given that x is lies in between 0 to pi by 2, so that the greater 0 and lesser pi by 2, so which means that clearly x belongs to in the first quadrant. So in the first quadrant, so clearly cos x is what? Greater than 0, and sin x is what? Greater than 0. See, in the first quadrant, but not equal to 0, but not equal to pi by 2, so 1 minus cos x is also greater than 0, and it is a combination of x cos x plus sin x into 1 minus cos x, all positive values. So it is very clear that in between 0 to pi by 2, f dash of x is clearly what? Greater than 0. Why? Because so all these are positive terms, which is greater than 0. So we already know that if f dash of x is greater than 0, it is very clear that, so it is clear that so f of x is strictly increasing function. Okay, so clearly f of x is a strictly increasing function, which means that, let's take a graph. It is in the first quadrant, which means that in between 0 to pi by 2, so 0 is here and it is pi by 2, but we can't take 0 and we can't take pi by 2, but clearly he has given that f of x is strictly increasing function in between 0 to pi by 2, which means that it does not accept 0 and does not accept pi by 2 also, so that the value starts here and ends here. Ends like this. So starts with 0 but not 0, so it is very closer to 0, very right side value of 0, and ends with left value of pi by 2, very nearer to pi by 2 but not equal to pi by 2, so that, but what we need to find the range, so that what is the minimum value? So very next value of 0, and what is the maximum value? Very left value of 90. So that from this figure it is very clear that minimum value of the function is clearly limit x tends to 0 plus. So why? Because it is very closer to 0. Why? Because we can't take 0, so that it is very closer to 0, and it is in the right side of 0, so that limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, so it is the minimum value. Now limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is what here? X sin x minus half sin square x. So x sin x minus half sin square x. See 0 minus 0, when you substitute 0 here, 0 minus 0, clearly it is what? 0. So minimum value is what? 0. Here it is very very closer to 0 but not equal to 0. Why? Because we can't substitute 0. Okay, now coming to the maximum value. So limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x. So that is the maximum value. Okay, so that limit x tends to pi by 2 minus, now what is the function? X sin x minus half sin square x. Okay, now if we need to substitute pi by 2 here, what will get? Clearly pi by 2 into sin pi by 2 is what? 1 minus half times of sin pi by 2 whole square is what? 1 whole square. Clearly it is given that pi by 2 minus 1 by 2. See, so minimum value is very very closer to 0 and maximum value is very very closer to pi by 2 minus 1 by 2. So that what is the range? The function here is open interval of 0 to half times of pi minus 1. So this is the range. Clearly it is open interval. Why? Because we can't take 0 and we can't take pi by 2. So that what is the range of the function? Open interval of 0 to 1 by 2 into pi minus 1. Okay students, thank you very much. So please do subscribe, share my videos. Thank you.